Hey guys, I'm Paul with Marine Connection. Today we're on a 2026 Sea Hunt Gamefish 25. Series offshore capability, family feature comforts. I'm on aboard. So Sea Hunt stands out for delivering performance, value, and versatile layouts. The Gamefish series pushes that even further, marrying tournament-ready features and usability for everyone aboard. So Sea Hunt's made boarding pretty simple. If you're at the sandbar, need to swim up, you got a nice swim platform here on the back with a telescoping ladder. You also have a starboard side door, where you're on in the big catch, or you got a sturdy ladder to get in and out, low gear at the dock, anything you need to do. So in the cockpit, you have dual in-floor macerated fish boxes. They're 200 quarts each. Here in the transom and the leaning post, you got a 35-gallon live well, and you also have a 16-gallon live well in the back. Plenty of rod holders and 360-degree fishability for your serious offshore ventures. So moving up into the cockpit, they have updated the dash for 2026. You have the newest Garmin 12-inch screen, electronic steering, Yamaha EX, Helmmaster. You can get the joystick, Helmmaster EX4 option with that as well. Bennett trip tabs. Move up to the hard top, you got misters, LED lighting, Garmin VHF, fully loaded and everything that you need. So even though this is the Gamefish series, you still have a nice wraparound seating, plenty of room for your passengers to chill out, relax in the sun, easy access to your windlass anchor, controls up front. You have a little storage area that you can access your anchor line if you have a snag or a tangle. Hard top, you got your LED front spreader light. You also have the vented windshield in the front as well. For Marine Connection, I'm Paul, and thanks for coming aboard. This 2026 Sea Hunt Gamefish 25. It's got serious offshore capability and still family feature comforts. Hope you come see us soon, and we'll get you on the water. Thank you.